Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how I make short videos for my YouTube channel. So first I am going to show you some examples. I have already uploaded so much on my YouTube channel, so I'm going to show you how I make these kind of videos. So when you open this kind of channel and you show these kind of shorts, yeah, there are a lot of shorts which I've made so far with this technique. So I'm going to tell you how. So first you need to go first you need script. All right, then you need how to use Canva. Okay, so first I'm going to the chat GPT. If you have some kind of uh, codes, then well and good, and if you don't have these kind of codes, you just need to go on to the chat GPT. And if you already logged into the chat GPT, that's well and great. So I am writing it. Okay, let me tell you one thing. You have to interact with ChatGPT. One thing I have learned in past few months is once you get attached to the ChatGPT is going to give you so much. So I'm going to write it. Hi ChatGPT, can you help me? You just need to ask some small questions so that ChatGPT is going to get ready to help you. All right. So I'm going to send another command. So kindly give me at least sorry at least 10 quotes about, for example, I'm going to search it here about friendship. All right, about friendship, and keep in mind that the quotes you will send me are separated into two parts. All right, please ignore my spells because I'm writing very um, fast. So these kind of things happen when you are too much fast. So I'm going to send a command to the ChatGPT. So you can see ChatGPT is generating some uh, friendship quotes, and you can see friendship is born at that moment when one person says to another. This is the first part and this is the second part. All right, so ChatGPT is doing his work. I'm going to open Canva till, so I have already logged into the free version of Canva. You can also use the free version, and if you can pay, you can use the paid version as well. But there is a small difference in paid and unpaid. I usually use the unpaid one because I can use my things, I can update, and I can make my things with this uh, unpaid Canva as well. So you can see, you can say, see. Uh, Actually, my English is little weak, so please, if you are noticing something, please ignore that. So you can see there are a lot of friendship quotes here. So you can also search friendship quotes about psychology, about deep facts, girls facts, boys facts. It's all up to you. So what you have to do is you have to open a Canva. You have to sign up as any version, and you just need to go on to this mobile video. Let's click on to the mobile video. So when you click on the mobile video, this kind of page will open. All right. So basically this is going to be very detailed video how I make uh, shorts. As you can see, there are a lot of YouTubers who are not going to reveal their selves